The Chefman Air Fryer TurboFry 9-quart model uses a powerful convection system and very high heat to produce notably crisp and juicy results compared with many standard air fryers. Its 6 preset functions cover everyday tasks like air frying, baking, broiling, reheating, dehydrating, and cooking frozen foods, so it can stand in for several separate appliances. The dedicated frozen setting gradually brings foods up from cold before blasting them with higher heat, which helps packaged fries and snacks come out evenly browned instead of soggy or overdone. With a 9-quart basket, this unit comfortably handles family-sized portions, and the shake reminder is genuinely useful for getting more consistent texture across a full load of food. A clear viewing window and interior light let you monitor doneness without opening the basket, so you keep heat inside and are less likely to overcook or undercook meals. The nonstick basket and rack slide out easily and can go straight into the dishwasher, which makes cleanup quick enough that you are more likely to reach for this air fryer on busy weeknights.